Start.
Students, will we start chapter number 1 as topic sets. So we will be study about the sets today. Set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined means supervasit, clearly defined. Collection, संग्रह of objects. Objects which have the same property. Clear? For example, set of natural numbers n is equal to within bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Objects 1, 2, 3, so on belongs to n. N is the natural numbers. So objects 1, 2, 3 are called elements or members of set n. N denote the natural set and 1 belongs to n. We see here 1 belongs to n. 0 does not belong to n. So we cut by this line. 0 does not belong to n. 0 not contain in set n. Not belongs to n or not lie in n. Clear? Now there are two forms of the sets. First, roster form or tabular form. Secondary, set builders form or rule method. So first we discuss roster form or tabular form. In the roster form, all the elements of the set are listed separated by commas with brackets, this curly bracket. For example, the set of all even positive integers less than 7. So we are consider here all 11 positive integers less than 7 in roster form as in curly bracket 2, 4, 6. We are not take here 8 because we want less than 7. Clear? Set builders form or rule method. In a set builder form, all the elements of a set possesses a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set. The all objects in the set of the same property, not other property outside the set, not belong to set. For example, in curly bracket, take A, E, I, O, U as the elements. You are see here that these are vowels. So can be written as in set builder form. This is the roster form. So we can write this in the builder form as V. V for vowel set of vowels equal in curly bracket X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. Close the curly bracket. Clear? Now define empty set. The empty set, a set having no element, is called a null set or an empty set or a void set. There are different names for this set. It is denoted by phi or curly bracket. Clear? For example, set of even natural numbers not divisible by 2. So we consider here the even natural numbers which not divisible by 2. So we know that all even numbers divide by 2. Clear? So here say not divisible by 2. So that is no element here. So we imply by phi. For example, that is null or empty set. This is the example for empty set. Now we discuss the singleton set. Singleton as means single, yani only one. So a set having only one or single element is called a singleton set. For example, in curly bracket we consider as only one element. See here, in curly bracket we consider is phi. Phi is only one element. In curly bracket consider 0. 0 is also here element. 0 means not nothing. This is also a element. So this is the singleton element, or as we say, as 2, as a, etc. Clear all of you? Finite and infinite sets. Now consider finite and infinite. Finite word means definite, certain, and infinite means uncertainty, indefinite. Clear? A set having definite number of elements is called a finite set, and a set which is not a finite set is called a infinite set. Clear? For example, the set of letters in the English alphabet. The alphabets you know are certain. That is the 26 alphabets. So this is the definite numbers of alphabets. So this is the finite set. And the set of lines which are parallel to y-axis. We can draw many infinity lines which parallel to y-axis. So this is called the infinite. So infinite set. Clear all of you? Now we discuss equal sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements and we write A is equal to B. यानी both element have the exactly same, दोनों में same और exactly numbers, then we say both sets are equal. Otherwise the sets are said to be unequal and we write A not is equal to B. We discuss further in other next videos. Homework today homework, learn and write all definitions. So write all definition in fair register. Clear all of you?